Here we go. Fire drill master. What does that mean? Run, action, flashlight, camera. Right. Let's just skip this. Seriously. I have so many public comedy games I want to get into. And I thought I should probably start with this one.
No comment about.
And from a curve to the right. Thing.
I heard the controls are pretty shit in this game. Oh, Jeff. Megan Jeff. Are you awake? Or are you... Jesus, I already messed up. Are you okay? Oh, I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff, I'll go get help. Pretty simple so far. This is the worst headache ever. Okay. I've had this game on my PC for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I haven't even launched it. I was too scared to play this shit. Okay, can't move. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark, better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, camera's very sensitive. Oh man, oh jeez. I don't like these controls already. My flashlight. Pick it up. Can I? Oh my god, it's the cursor, but I can't see the cursor. Jesus, come on. Can I pick it up? Jesus Christ, pick it up. You got the flashlight. Holding it like a... Oh my god, what is this safe? Oh no, what is this? I don't like this guy. I already know you. I ain't doing that. So, hold on a minute today. Gas and go there. Looks like there's a building in the distance. Maybe I can, yeah, no. don't mind the sound effects either. Man, I hate these controls. They're not as bad as people say they are. They're not very good either. Oh, there. Hopefully not. What a creepy old shed. It's boarded up. Ugh. Go in. Oh, there's it. Can I press anything? Anything stored or no? Alright. Oh well. Maybe next time. Oh, jeez. It's like steering a car while you're drunk and on drugs at the same time. It's not very fun. How am I already at this? Oh my goodness. She's very hard to steer. It's that's that sounds fun. Oh. It's just oh. Smoker. Is this even on they're talking? Yes, it's is it jokes? Gone already for the game lives and to the opportunity to leave. Door. Oh my god. It's like no, why even going in the first place? She really is like the hardest character in game that they article out of the newspaper. The search continues for two missing campers in Poco Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Lori Summers of Long, New York have been missing since June 8th. Their campsite and their belongings have been located, but investigation have few leads. Police say there are no visible signs of struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. It's dated August 1982, 5 years ago. Alright. Okay. My game is crashed again. But I don't think I can handle it. Oh. Yeah, why did it go on the full screen? It's weird. When am I meant to go on the full screen? Phone for Jesus, this one. I hate the ones in this game. I don't like the little bangs either. The door is locked. You right there?
Yeah.
There are 3 splotches of paint. Blue, green, and red. Right. And... Wait, what? What does that mean? The door is locked. There are 3 splotches of paint, red, green, and blue. Does that mean I have to get 3 keys? What's down here? No door. It's open. What is that? Holy shit, what is that? Holy fuck. I don't know if I can play this game. Jesus, can I... Where did you put me? Oh, no, I'm putting you here. Jesus, I'll give it a couple more goes. I'm not playing this for too long. I'll have a heart attack. Oh, what's this? Key? Looks like a key. Pick it up. You got red. Oh my god, a free big. What? It's a weird way of turning around. Can I get it? Thank you. So, oh my god, I heard him running as well, so you can hear him before you see him, I guess. Right, I don't know what's spawning on the corner, but every time I turn this corner, my game lags pretty bad. I'm gonna die here. There's too many dead ends for my liking. I'm gonna die here. Oh my, I'm gonna die. So that means he pretty sure he came out of the metal door as well. The one I went up to inspect, and the one that said, oh my god, oh my fucking god. Jesus, oh my god. I'm playing it one more time. This is it now. It's all or nothing. I can't handle this. I'm gonna go this way. No, not already, please. Can you just pull me off? Right, this is the last time. Like four, even number, my favorite. Yeah. Jesus, man. What is this? It's a locked metal door. I feel like I'm being watched here. I'm gonna die here. She ain't making out of it. Right, I'm gonna try to explore the rooms more. Because I feel a wee bit safer in the rooms. Not if it's a dead end. Plus, I feel like the keys are gonna be in the rooms because doubt the key. Sugar tunnel. Like sugar? Sugar tunnel. What could possibly go wrong in the sugar tunnel? What's in here? Oh. I just went back downstairs. My favorite. This is worse. Does that mean he uses this is like his hideout, I'm pretty sure. Does that mean he's using these tunnels as a way to get around quicker? You better not. Please don't. Thank God. Alright. So he's using the tunnels to get around. If I'm correct. Man, handle this. So lesson learned, don't go that way. But my theory is correct. You can hear him before you see him. No, that no! Is it random? Where did I save it? I need to find that door again, so we know. So I need to find the sugar tunnel as well, because I feel like all the keys are gonna be in there. I have a feeling all the keys are gonna be in the sugar tunnel. Can't handle this game. Jesus, what was that? No, that's where you come from. No. I still loop. Where's the sugar tunnel at now? Oh, sugar. Man, I hate how you have to put her in like reverse every time you want to turn her around. The real villain in this game is the damn controls. Where am I going? I'm walking around in circles. Here it is, sugar tunnel. I'm at the other end now, so I don't know, I feel safest in the sugar tunnel. I feel like you can't get me in here to a safe area. Oh Jesus, no, it's not safe, it's not safe. Man, I'm done. I am done with this video. Right. If you want to see more, let me know. 'Cause I'm done with this for now.